What's up guys? I think this is the part na hinihintay natin lahat na drop namin yung Guess the Car. And yes, sabihin natin halata. Halata no? Medyo halata. Pero you know what, konting twist lang, tinry lang namin. So moving forward, baka lalo namin gagawin guess talaga. So yeah, it is in fact an FJ Cruiser. So
Yes,
guys,
sir.
yung nag-guess ng tama dyan, congratulations. So quick rundown lang, no? Realistically, kaya naman eh.
Kaya talaga.
Item sa kotse.
To car, yes. Kayang-kaya.
Pero ito nga eh, may magandang opportunity.
Yun. So, naalala nyo sa last part ng video natin, sinabi ko sa inyo na may better opportunity. Better in a sense na ganito yung nangyari. Hindi nangyari yung swap ng CS item to car initially. Hindi nangyari. May nag-offer sa akin na upgrade my current personal car to an FJ Cruiser. So, nagamit natin yung CS item to upgrade my own car, which is a Honda Civic, to an FJ Cruiser. So, may price difference siya. Imbes na inad ko cash, I only added a CS item. So, yun naman yung sa previous videos natin na ganda yung item, may value item. Yun yung inad natin, imbes na inad natin yung cash. So, ano pa rin nga, again, essence of flipping.
Meron talagang opportunity, no?
Oo.
Yung item towards sakyan.
Oo, pwede sana eh. Possible siya na yung item straight up to a car. Diba? So, it's possible. Alam natin ngayon na posible yun. Pero since may better offer, may better deal, so yun yung tinake natin.
I think another lesson for the day, no? Dami natin lessons for the day.
Magturo na lang kaya tayo.
Magturo na lang. So, another lesson for the day, ganyan talaga yung life. Kung may opportunity, may choice ka. Kukunin mo ba o hindi? So, at this point, meron opportunity for an upgrade. Yung Civic, inad yung item. So, instead of cash, again, inad yung item para maging FJ Cruiser. So guys, thank you so much for joining us in this journey, no, sa first episode. We've come all this way, and again, sa mga nakaguess ng FJ Cruiser, congrats. Sa ngayon, wala tayong mga special, pero stay tuned, no? We have certain special events coming up, and
Sir.
probably giveaways. So, yan. So, abangan nyo na lang. This has been Madge from the Roscals, joined by CJ. Thank you so much, and catch you in the next one.
Sheesh.